Hello my Taurians, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of June 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vivra Tulip family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. So without further ado, let's begin with your reading. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days please for my darlings. Okay, let's take these. Can we have two more please? And let's take this one. Okay, so we begin with aloneness, ordinariness, morality, and change. So darlings, in the first 10 days, what it's trying to say is you need to put priorities, because morality is trying to say that there is a possibility that you might get pulled in lot many directions. Okay, so gain clarity, start prioritizing your schedule. That will help you a lot. Okay, keep putting in that hard work, because your hard work is definitely bringing a lot of benefits, because there is a positive shift coming in your life. So it could be like finance, could be on emotional grounds, could be on spiritual grounds. You have a beautiful shift coming up. Okay, so avoid resistance. Aloneness is also trying to remind you that don't ever give up. It's like, when you're almost there, there is a possibility that, at the last minute you might just say, oh, I don't think so, I can handle it, and you might end up giving it up. That's where universe will tell you that you missed it. Okay, so don't ever give up, and remember, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Angels and spirit guides, mid 10 days please. Let's see what can we have for you. This, let's take this. Can we have one more? Let's take the last one. Okay, so we begin with past lives, intensity, going with the flow, and postponement. Okay, so darlings, what is happening is you definitely have love coming in. There is some good news emotionally. There will be some breakthrough moments coming up. Okay, but what is happening is you're scared. Past lives is trying to remind you that you're scared about something to face. What is it? There is a possibility that you guys are karmically connected. So the kind of people you interact in the mid 10 days are the ones with whom you have some soul contracts. Okay, so it could be good, it could be bad. Whatever it is, keep going with the flow, avoid resistance. Postponement, avoid delays. Okay, so it could also mean that at times you need to rest. You need to listen to your body. Stop overthinking, because it's not going to help you in any ways. Intensity, you are on the right path. Okay, so stop doubting yourself. Go out, work on your finances. You are highly creative. Okay, so think out of the box is what it's trying to say. Now let's come to the last 10 days. Somehow I feel there could be a possibility of age difference coming up. Okay, so if it is related to the matters of heart, there may be a possibility. Okay, not for all, but for a few I can say. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Let's see what can we have for you. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take these two, and let's take these two. So we have silence, new vision, sharing, and control. There seems to be a tiff between a feminine and a masculine energy in the last 10 days. Why? Because you have a tendency to overthink, okay? Probably the chaos is within you, not outside you. And just because you don't have a clarity, everything is going haywire. New vision, change your perspective. Try to listen, try to see from others' point of view. Whenever you need help, ask for help. You have your counselors, doctors, healers, well-wishers, you have everybody around you. Sometimes you should be asking help. That will help you in gaining more clarity, in taking approach. Avoid having fights, avoid controlling people or situations. Remember to do the good. You are highly blessed, okay? So do not take advantage is what it's trying to say. Now let's seek some guidance from your angels. Let's see what is it that they wish to tell you. Angels and spirit guides, guidance. We have, go for it. And if you can see, we have the unicorn. So angels are reminding you, the darlings, that there has been some time where you have been ignoring or you have been dancing on somebody else's tune. So don't do that. Take things in your hands. Go for it. You are blessed with it. In case if you have fears or any anxiety issues or anything that's troubling you, please call for your angels and ask for help. They shall definitely assist you. Now let's seek some guidance regarding your relationships. Okay, we've got hello. Love is definitely in the air, I must say, because we have Cupid's arrow, kisses, and passion. So love is in the air. Ignite that passion. You know how to deal with it. There could be confessions also coming up for a few. You are surely falling in love. Okay, so in case if you've been single, gear up. There is a beautiful soul walking in your space. And if you have been in a relationship, darlings, work on your passion. Okay, now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides, anything specific. Let's take this one. We have pathway. Pathway is trying to say that you have choices. Remember, everybody's got choices. So even though if you might think it's a long process, remember something good is coming up, because we have positive shifts coming in your life. But the minute you try taking shortcuts, it will bounce back. Okay, and it's a temporary relief, not a permanent solution to what you've been seeking for. So how should I sum up this month? Keep moving ahead. Okay, or I would say calm the chaos from within. Okay, because I think whatever you want, universe is blessing you with a beautiful partner, blessing you with finance, blessing you with spiritual growth, blessing you with good health. But what is happening is, because there is a turbulence within you, you are not able to find things, okay, what universe wants to serve you. So let go of that and remember, changes are beautiful. Your angels are asking you, take control of your life and go for it. Love is in the air. Work on your passion. Kiss, hug, you know what's best suited. And remember, you have a choice. Okay, so stay connected with Mother Earth also. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.